It's vlog number 6. Number 6!
Wookie, wookie, wookie.
Grace, landscape, not portrait.
If you want some good stuff, good.
What is it?
Simply Ava.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, it's Elise. I'm vlogging for Ava right now because she's eating. And I thought I would, you know, help her out on her vlog channel because I'm obviously everyone's favorite. Ava, I love you. Just thought I'd let you know you're the best. I'm vlogging for Ava's account. Everyone say hi.
Oh, hi, Skinny.
It's for Ava's account.
I don't know it, man.
Ava's back. How you doing?
So, Ava just bought me food. It kind of looks nasty, but it is delicious, and I'm also snagging her tea, and it's grand. Ooh!
Hey guys, Ava has a toothbrush in her backpack.
Haggity. It's not even open. That's weird.
Allie, what do you think of the
I love this cat. This cat's like my cat.
Aww.
Like, I want to take you home.
I was about to sneeze, sorry. I can't stop sneezing.
Wookie, wookie. You are my dad. You're my dad. Wookie, wookie, wookie.